Okay, let's go.
Oh shit. Okay, well, since I watched out of the window this morning and it was completely white, I thought why not take a ride to the store to get my breakfast. But I already think it's a really bad idea. Oh, it's so slippery. Wait, I can drive in the middle here. I think I'm just gonna keep in second to first gear. This is so scary. So now we can talk a little bit, since we're riding slow anyway. Ooh. Wait till we cross here and no car hits us. I'm sliding, slipping and sliding, bro. Oh. But now we're here. Now I'm riding out of my street, and since it doesn't matter anymore soon, since I'm going to move soon, so now I can show it to you. When the video is online, I'm already moved anyway. So yeah. Ooh. This is so scary, man. I see a lot of people looking and smiling. They think it's funny too. But yeah, I'm going to move to the big city. So we'll be having a lot more videos in a big town, a city. So might be some nice and fun content to see. The only down part is of the moving, I get out of the countryside, so a lot less places to go off-roading. So the idea was to go do that a lot more and see if I can become really good at it. But the chances of happening are really slim now, since I'm not really close to a place where I can off-road. So that's a shame, but it's fine. Then we go to Sumo in the city, and for now enjoy this. Actually going, oh, I'm not gonna jinx myself, by the way. I wanted to, but I'm not going to. There's this shit slipping and sliding, brother. Oh, this is so scary. I'm just like, oh. Oh, that's so slippery. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. Oh. People actually are thinking it's fun now. Now it's in the snow instead of just normal roads. Normally they're watching angry. Now they're laughing at me. Or they're like, what idiot is going out on a dirt bike in the snow. But actually it's really fun to do. And I hope my sound is good, because I'm wearing a face mask, because it's so cold. My hands are so cold, man. So a good thing we are close to the market. Let's go. Now the food is secured for the missus. He lets me go first, thanks. Now the food is secured, we can go see if we can have some fun. We can find some fun places. Oh, I don't really want to take the big roads though. Nice. I think I found what I'm looking for. Oh. Woo, it's slippery. Oh. Woo. Oh. Just slipping and sliding. Ooh, they made like a... No, not gonna jump that though. Would this be possible? No, I'm not crazy. I'm not stupid like that. That's a snowman, bro. Oh, sick. They even put carrots in. Sick. Another big snow boulder. You know, the thing is, why you see a lot of people out with sleds and stuff. So in the Netherlands you don't have a lot of snow. So when it snows out, everyone is going outside to play. Because it's like 1-2 days in a year, maybe. So most of the time it's maybe one whole sort of shit day with like how the path is looking, only like that everywhere. But now we have like good snow. So people are just going outside and have some fun, like we are. Oh. It's so slippery. Oh. Oh, I love this, bro. The gear is just... Oh, I'm just giving lots of gas. Oh. Oh, I'm not... I cannot get up! Accidental burnout. Oh, shit. I cannot get up here. Ah, let's go straight. Yeah, I've been there. Oh, this is so slippery. It's just slipping and sliding, baby. And my hands are so cold. Wait. Let's take a little break. Oh, that's good. Okay. Good to go again. Oh. almost went down there. Shit. Oh. It's so icy underneath the snow. It's so icy. Oh, that's so good. Oh, another snowman. Sick. Oh. Still need to make a thumbnail though. Oh, my goggles are fogging up. Yeah, let's take a little detour then. Oh, slippery. Ooh. That's good. Actually, a fun fact, I actually just got back from the snow because I went to ski in Austria. I got a red light, of course. I'll just wait. Come on, bro. Am I too light for the sensor? I think I am. You kidding me? Hello? Oh, there's a car coming. That's good. The car came to the rescue. So many people are looking up weird. First video of the new year. Didn't really do a last video of the year because I actually have had some bad news the last few weeks, months. That's why I really haven't been uploading anything. And I was sick, so I had an operation done. Yeah, so I wasn't able to upload. Not gonna be going into that too much. But yeah, shit happens. So we're out now again, and we can make videos again in a good time. Good time to come back anyway. Nice. I love two-stroke, man. Gotta love it. Hello? Again? You gotta be kidding me. Oh. They're scared to drive in the snow. Well, in the car. In the car I'm not scared. On the bike I'm also scared. I know. Oh, a little pool. Let's go. That's good. Yeah. Actually spraying a lot behind me. Damn. I'm just slipping. It's only slipping. I just gave so much gas, but it was just only wheel spin and wheel spin. Ah, that's sad. I was like, I'm gonna rip it open. Yeah. Woo. That was Popo. There's no one in the car though. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a short one, but still, for me it was fun. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next. Goodbye.